we started our day late. We were just enjoying like the time of, you know, we just got a new house, having it progress, you know. It's that feeling, you know, that good vibe. So about to open the doors to our house together. Come.
There we go.
Yeah.
Real ceremonial. And
Right,
we've already been inside. Building a fan.
Yo!
Yep! I just did these.
Man, socio, okay.
Taking a friend's
Hose.
hose because we forgot ours to clean.
Forgot it at
To clean
home.
the paint off. So, gotta take his. You doing? What color are you painting?
I don't know. It's gray.
Yeah. So we're gonna go with 2 different types of gray.
Ricky's on top of the bridge painting. Diana's over here, and I'm getting that edge.
Alright guys, so we're done painting for the day. We got the majority of the paint done. We just got to finish the accents wall.
Accent.
Huh?
Accent.
Accent?
Accent.
Accent wall.
Walls.
That's the only thing, the walls, that's the only thing that we have to finish, and I'm already tired of painting.
Well, we're almost done. And then huzzah!
Yes.
Okay, so there's a wasp somewhere here. Lori's gonna kill it.
I gotta find it first. Hold on.
Where'd it go? I just had it when I first turned it on.
It's not here. I'm scared. Hold on.
Kill a wasp?
Pick up real stuff. I can't find it.
Oh, this was really good footage. So apparently there's a nest. You got it? Oh, wasp. Oh. Where is it? Oh, they must die, Lori.
You ready?
So I finished painting. Ricky was painting earlier. John and Alicia came over to help paint. So I think this is the best representation of what the colors are. This is the final mayhem before we move everything in on Saturday. Who's fighting? You scared your daughter more than you scared Lori. Your daughter jumped.
Yeah, it's like chilling while you guys are
No, but it's not only that. There's like
Little booger.
when they're like doing stuff and then they're like, oh, and they like turn and they... I'm not sure what this mayhem is.
Oh, we do have things on top.
It's all a mess. A mess.
Right.
It's okay. So, we decided to take a last minute delivery trip to come and double check if there's electricity in the house. Why is there a hose inside the house?
Cause I got holes.
You're so annoying. Go.
And
Wow, that was really anticlimactic.
wow.
Okay, so I'll admit the edges, they're not that great. What are you doing?
When you get bored of pulling tape off the walls, you become a master juggler.
Yo. Bruh. This is dangerous.
I'm gonna turn around.
The whole light is coming down.
And pretend I didn't see that.
I'm done.
How's this like stay on it though? Like before we overreact, is it supposed to be like that?
Ours now. I don't want to touch any.
Is it glass?
I mean, you fixed it.
Yeah.
So if I turn
Good as new.
It's like it was never touched. Stop doing it right.
Hard plastic, but
You can always buy a new one and make it nicer.
Alright, I'm gonna turn the lights off. You got that new light fixture money, John?
oh, look at them, look at them, look at them. Come. start flying.
Like all the birds that pooped on John's car.
Yeah.
Okay, you need to insert that clip now.
Yo, babe, I don't know what happened to your car, but some birds literally took all over your car.
If you don't make it,
If you don't make it.
20 bucks. This 20 bucks.
If that gets me $20 if you don't make it.
Why, give them a tug to see if they're actually good.
Give him a tug.
Yeah.
Yo, I can't stand you.
This
You're
is
gonna hit your walls, like-
speedball. Live with your needs.
As you can see, guys, we have some stuff here because we still have 2 weeks left in the apartment, but the majority of it is out of the house.
Yep. Now the fun begins.
Yep. So here you go. You ready?
He's really dramatic.
Here you go.
I already
You did.
cried, so.
Whoa, 1406. I'm always remembering. Driving off, guys. Here we go. Excited, but a little nervous, but excited more. I don't know. I feel happy, but in a weird way. Like, this is like my actual first move in our own house. It's like the apartment was like a little different, but it's not the same feeling as before. It's like more realistic. Like, this is real. This is ours.
Our first official meal at the house, and it's Pizza Hut. Because this is just a casual moving picture.
I'm gonna take a picture.
I never ended up showing you guys how things were looking. So this is gonna be the office room. We're obviously still under construction. It's almost finished the guest bathroom because my best friend is coming from Texas. In this room, just the air mattress. This closet is like all of our car washing supplies, our cleaning supplies. This room has our internet. It's gonna be the game room, has our Christmas decorations in here. But this will be the game room eventually. It's here. So I organized it quite a bit. I'm still not done. Let me know if you guys want to see like an organization videos of how I'm planning on organizing. This is it so far. Our dining table is extended, but we still haven't cleaned that up yet. TV's on the stand. It's gonna be mounted on the wall at some point. We're gonna get a new couch at some point. This will go in the game room. My bedroom's kind of a mess, but our bed, our coqueta, our dresser. This is gonna go in the my makeup / office. We just have to move that. So this is the bathroom. All my stuff is in here, all my extra stuff, toilet paper, and the closet is still a work in progress, but here it is. We're gonna get the bottom shelves, but that'll come as well. So yeah.